We're 3 weeks out from planting my original seeds. My original seeds were planted on a heat mat with the dome on until they successfully sprouted, and then I took them off the heat mat. All of those plants are ready to go into my system, and they all have beautiful roots coming through the bottom. So let's take a look at how those are all looking. This is my thyme, oregano, bell peppers, lunchbox peppers, and jalapenos. They all have wonderful roots coming through the bottom. These are all definitely ready to go into the system. But before I do, remember you only want to have one plant per cube. So what I'm going to do is just take the plant that doesn't have as much leaves, and I'm going to pinch that off and remove it. You don't want to pull from the bottom because you'll disrupt the roots. And I'm going to do the same thing here with my lunchbox peppers. And my jalapeno. This other jalapeno seems to be growing inside. Okay, these are ready to go. It's also been 1 week since I replanted the seeds that did not germinate well or did not germinate at all. All of those have germinated successfully and are looking great, and some of them are ready to go into the system already. The only failure that I have after these 2 rounds is my green bean plant. It did nothing at all. When I had this originally planted on a heat mat, it looked like it was kind of cooked. And now it's just kind of a gelatinous mess. So maybe something will come forth with this. I haven't given up, but this is definitely not my best plant. This is my parsley. This is the other plant that is not ready to go into the system. It has no roots coming out of the bottom. This just sprouted about 3 days ago. My romas, though, have done great without the heat mat. They have beautiful roots coming through. My cilantro and my rosemary look great as well with nice roots coming down. The cilantro is already so fragrant, and I cannot wait to make salsa with that. Before I put these romas in the system, I'm going to go ahead and pluck out 1 plant each. And now everything's ready to go into the system. So let's go upstairs and go ahead and place them. Okay, we're back in my office and everything is planted in my system. I only have 1 vacant spot here, just 1. Everything else is filled with plants. And you can see my existing plants that were in here before are all flourishing. They're doing wonderful. And it won't be long until these new plants are just as big.